April. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're returning. If you're brand new here, thank you so much for joining me today. I love to do budget-friendly farmhouse DIYs. I do trash to treasures and Dollar Tree DIYs. Today we are repurposing old DIYs, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's me saying hi, this is me, I'm April, nice to meet you. Welcome back if you're returning. Today we are participating in the Repurposed DIY collab hosted by Sonia over at Domestic Diva. I want to thank her for inviting me to join this collab. Please check out her channel. She does all different kinds of videos. She does amazing furniture makeovers, she does organizing, she does DIYs, she does decorating. She has a lot of fun farmhouse variety on her channel, so definitely check her out. Please check out all of the ladies that you see here. Every single one of them is so talented, and I am so honored to be a part of this collab. There will be a link in my description box, so please go tell them that you came from my channel and show them some love. Give them a big thumbs up. So we are going to make a paint stick bushel basket, I think it's called. I found this on Pinterest. I know that Heidi Sambul has also made one of these in the past. I remember, I thought it was so cute. So definitely check out her channel. But I found this on Pinterest, and I have these two embroidery hoops that I brought in from my garage that I'm pretty sure I got at a thrift store or a yard sale. So I thought I could use one of them, and then I have this little plastic top, little handle from some flowers that I bought recently at Walmart, and I decided I could use that because you need to have an 8-inch for the top, an 8-inch circle, and a 6-inch for the bottom. So I didn't have the hoops are both 8 inches, so I decided to use one for the top, and then I made a 6-inch hoop out of that little plastic handle. This is a really cute DIY that I did in my previous video, which I will link down below if you're interested, and up above in the cards. And so I decided to repurpose this for this challenge. I took it apart and used the paint sticks. At least a couple of them kind of tore apart, but I was able to save a few, and then I also combined those with a pack. You can get a pack of paint sticks at Home Depot for like 97 cents. And then I took some foam board that I had left over from a project and just cut out a little circle, made my 6-inch little circle with the plastic piece, and hot glued it to the foam board for our base. And then I just kind of began hot gluing the sticks all the way around. It turned out pretty good. The sticks didn't fit perfectly because there was some hot glue that I couldn't get off from the previous project, so it kind of made one of, I don't think you can really tell, but one of the sticks kind of stuck out. But anyway, if you do this, you just want to hot glue them all the way around in a circle. You have to use a lot of hot glue for the paint sticks to stand up at first, and you want to angle them out because you don't want your basket to be straight up and down. You want it to be going out towards the top. Well, the embroidery hoop ended up not working. It was so hard to try to get the sticks to hot glue to it. So I just gave up and decided to use some jute twine, and I actually think this turned out even cuter. And so I just wrapped it around a few times, and then I gave it a little bit of a whitewash with some white Waverly chalk paint, and that was it. And then I took a scarf that I had from Dollar Tree from fall, stuffed it down in there, and then some leftover burlap from burlapfabric.com, and some lemons that I think I got at Walmart last year, or TJ Maxx, I don't remember. Stuck them down in there, and I think it turned out super cute. You guys will have to let me know what you think. I think it turned out adorable. And then I just kind of styled it with a little lemon tree that I got at Walmart this year. And the beads, I don't know if those beads really go with that whole scene, so I did end up taking them out, but I love beads with anything, so I always use those beads. Those are some that I made in a video a long time ago, and they're like my favorite beads I've ever made, so I use them a lot when I'm just kind of staging. But that's it. I think it turned out super cute, so this was a lot of fun. Next, these are some candles that I made over in a previous video, which I will also link below. I think they turned out beautiful, but I hope this counts as repurposing. I decided to go ahead and switch it up and paint them white. So I just gave them both 2 solid coats of Waverly chalk paint in the color white, and then I went over the top with some black paint. And that was it, and I think they turned out beautiful. That is all I did, and I think they turned out so pretty. Now the candles that I have are too small for these candlesticks, but I found these at the thrift store, I think at the Goodwill, quite a while ago, and they're some of my favorite that I've ever found. Our Goodwill is open back up. I'm so excited to go there. I'm gonna go there tomorrow, and I cannot wait. But that is it. That is everything, you guys. By the way, I just got a new microphone and I'm learning to use it. So I know sometimes when I say my P's, I sound like I'm eating the microphone. So I'm sorry about that. But I'm going to get a pop filter. So hopefully that will fix that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you would like to. I would love to have you. And I hope you all have a beautiful day. Don't forget to check out all of the ladies in the playlist in my description box. They are all so talented. You will love all of their channels. And at the end of this video, I just included a little tiny clip of me and my husband and my son on Mother's Day. We went fishing. And then I did go over to my mom's later on that day. We went fishing out of town and it was so beautiful. So my son does not like to be on camera at all, so that's why I never show him, but I did put him in there for just a second. Anyway, that's it. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.